Hello, hello. Salut la team, comment vous allez? Oh, j'avais une croûte sur le bras hier, et ben je l'ai pu. Ça je l'ai enlevé. Et ouais. Comment vous allez? Moi ça va très bien. Bah ça va très bien. Oui et non. Que je vous explique. Hop, petite story time. Vous savez de base j'ai un chat. Pour ceux qui savent. J'ai oublié d'enlever le son de mon téléphone. Attendez une petite seconde. Hop. Voilà. Donc pour ceux qui savent j'ai un chat. Enfin, compliqué, mais de base j'ai un chat. Et je suis parti faire une saison cet été, du coup mon chat il était chez des amis, je l'ai récupéré en septembre sauf que je suis revenu chez mes parents. Et il y a un chien chez mes parents, et du coup c'est incompatible entre le chat et le chien. Du coup actuellement il est chez mon frère, sauf qu'il s'est échappé de chez mon frère. Et il est perdu pour l'instant. Ça me fait bien chier. Euh, il est parti hier dans la nuit, pas dans la nuit là, la nuit d'avant, la nuit du 30. Et ils ont toujours pas de nouvelles. Ça me fait un peu chier. Mais du coup voilà. Pour l'instant on peut rien y faire. Il y a juste à attendre. Et on croise les doigts pour qu'ils reviennent. Du coup voilà. Sinon comment ça va se passer ce matin? Bah écoutez on va faire du The Walking Dead. Hein. Ça va être du bon The Walking Dead. Deuxième épisode hier. C'était horrible l'épisode. Horrible. Pour ceux qui n'étaient pas là, on joue un nouveau perso. Saison 3, on joue un nouveau perso qui s'appelle Javier. Il a une famille. Donc les survivants de sa famille, c'est lui, ses deux neveux, un gars et une fille, et la belle-mère des neveux. Ils sont 4, ils sont en van et tout. Et péripéties, on se retrouve tout seul, Javier se retrouve tout seul, pardon. Et il fait la rencontre de Clémentine. Donc voilà, Clémentine la goth. Et après, on retrouve à la casse pour retrouver le reste de la famille. Et là, il y a un gros fils de pute qui met une balle. Ici, là. Une balle. Au milieu du crâne. À la fille. Enfin, la neuve. La nièce. La nièce, c'est plus simple. Du coup, elle, c'est sûr, elle est morte. La belle-mère est blessée. Et à la fin, on se prend une grenade flash. Et fin de l'épisode. Je sais pas comment ça va se passer. Et c'est la merde. Quoi qu'il arrive, je vais lancer le jeu. Ouh. Je lance le jeu. On va partir direct pour l'épisode 2. Ça va être en pétard. Et je croise les doigts pour qu'il n'y ait pas d'autres morts. Ah oui aussi, oui. On voit dans un flashback de Clementine que Jane est morte. Elle s'est suicidée parce qu'elle a découvert qu'elle était enceinte de Luke. Elle s'est suicidée. J'ai trop la haine. C'était vraiment un perso que j'aimais beaucoup. Du coup voilà. Hop. Je vous mets. Hop. Voilà. Donc le jeu. Vous entendez mon chien? C'est génial. Désolé pour le chien. J'espère que vous allez pas l'entendre très fort. Et au pire, bah, de toute façon, j'ai pas le choix. J'enlève la musique. Je vais sur le jeu. Hop. Saison 3. Nouvelle frontière. En fait, si mon chien gueule, c'est parce que ma mère elle est en train de passer l'aspirateur sur le tapis. Et bah, le chien déteste l'aspirateur. Tout simplement, c'est relou. Alors, hop, épisode 2, dans la foulée, les ennuis s'accumulent pour Javier, qui doit amener un groupe de réfugiés en sécurité vers une ville voisine. Exactement. Attention, un zombie, il est... Ça n'a pas encore commencé, Antoine. J'ai peur. J'ai très peur. Je vais mettre le chat ici, ça va être mieux. Et Antoine, dis-moi si on entend le chien. Moi je l'entends, mais je sais pas si vous l'entendez. Ah, on a encore un flashback de avant. Ça c'est cool.
Please, let me do the dishes. That's the least I can do. No, I'm crashing here. Crashers clean dishes.
Your family. Besides, if
On
they're not
l'entend
clean right
couiner
away,
comme un meuf, un tout petit
he
peu.
becomes a big baby about it all.
Alors attends,
I'm a pro at this point.
j'insiste,
No,
je vais
no,
la
no.
faire.
I insist.
Grab
Bah
the
ouais, un
sponge and
bœuf.
you're gonna be eating it too. It's
Je
not
peux
a
rien
big
y
deal.
faire.
I've got
Actuellement,
it.
je peux vraiment rien y faire.
Nah, I
Il
know
va
you
continuer de
don't mind,
gueuler
but
jusqu'à ce que l'aspirateur
I
se
won't be
termine.
here for too long. Just
On en a pour
you know, gotta
10
get
minutes.
back on my feet a little.
You're
Peut-être moins,
right.
je pense.
I don't mind.
But David does. Is that it?
Maybe a little bit. No, actually, forget I said that.
Tranche-lui la... Mais comment ça? Mais t'es un fou?
That wasn't for me to.
He's always talking
T'es un
about how
fou?
I'm never
Je vais
around.
jamais faire ça.
When I'm actually here, he acts like he doesn't know me.
It's complicated. But look, he loves you. You're his brother.
He's got an odd way of showing it.
Oui.
So where do you think you'll go?
Don't know. With
Non mais
what
c'est RP,
happened,
t'inquiète. Ouais, il y a un
maybe I
chien.
could get a job assistant coaching T-ball.
Ah non, c'est RP de
You'll
lui
land
trancher
on
la
your
gorge,
feet.
ouais, pas sûr.
Oh, here's
Ah.
hoping.
Il a arrêté.
I could use a fresh start. Nah, I'll probably just travel around, you know, see what's out there.
Want to take me with you?
Oula.
Well,
Well, what about David?
what about David?
Kate,
I know. I'm just messing around. It's just hard to say no to a fresh start.
Bizarre elle.
Always wanted to go to Norway.
Oui, parce que on continue là, ça fait des allusions très bizarres. Dans le premier épisode, quand on s'est retrouvés, j'ai décidé de l'embrasser. Je sais pas pourquoi j'ai fait ça. En même temps, son mari est présumé mort. C'est mon frère, ok. Mais ils avaient l'air de bien s'entendre.
See the northern lights.
Mais non, il faut rien
You'll
entre
be
les
jet
deux.
setting and
Parce que je
I'll
sais très bien
still
comment ça va
just
se passer.
be here.
Son frère, il va revenir d'entre les morts.
God damn it!
Bah non, mais
shit,
Quick,
shit,
run
shit,
underwater.
shit. That was David's army glass. Oh, he's gonna be so pissy about it. I can hear him already. Oh, it's so annoying.
he should be more worried about you slicing your hand open.
He should be.
There you go. See? Much better. What was that noise?
Et ouais. Et ouais.
Guys!
Comment ça a démarré?
You're gonna be okay.
Hello? My CEO gave me that. And unless you want to dig up his fucking corpse, he's not gonna give me another one.
Why don't we get an actual dishwasher?
Oh, here we go again.
Then you won't
Il
be
est
on my
insupportable,
ass
David.
anytime there's a spot on a fork.
Excuse me?
If we could even afford a dishwasher.
It is just a glass.
It was important to me, Javi.
a glass?
We don't see your ass for a year. A year. Then when your life goes to shit, we're expected to drop everything and roll out the red carpet. All for Prince Javi. And now you're gonna start telling me how to talk to my wife?
This isn't about him.
Really?
Ok.
He's...
C'est un gros connard. C'est un gros connard et il est misogyne en plus. Donc écoutez, ce qu'on va faire, on va pécho sa femme. Rien à foutre.
the one
C'est quoi ça?
standing
C'est quoi ce
right
bordel?
there judging me for something he doesn't understand.
Je le déteste.
You don't know him like I do. Always judging everyone.
Le
except
gronder.
himself.
Allez, je
You know
laisse
what?
aller ici.
You're right. It's none of my business.
No, it's not.
I'm sorry about the glass. Really.
It's fine. It was an accident.
Insupportable.
Don't
Mors-lui
worry, I can
l'oreille.
handle him. He's just in a mood. Trust me, it
C'est
won't
bon.
last.
Là, dans mon crâne, c'est bon, on va la pécho, la meuf. Tant pis, je m'en bats les couilles que ce soit la femme de mon frère. C'est quoi ça? C'est quoi? Comment il la traite? Gros fils de pute. Là, par contre, on est bien dans la merde. Eh ouais. Clémentine.
Hey, take it easy.
La bosse.
What happened?
They got away.
Oh, God. Mariana.
Elle a pris une sacrée balle dans la tête. Hein. C'est horrible.
I already dug a grave for her.
Thank you.
Elle est adorable, Clémentine. En plus, ça doit être horrible de perdre quelqu'un comme ça, genre d'une balle dans la tête, soudainement. Parce que quand c'est arrivé, vraiment, genre c'était tranquille. Elle récupérait son lecteur cassette
We'll never forget you.
et vraiment, genre...
You were a good sister to Gabe. And like a daughter to me.
Javi, thank you for staying. I think you probably saved my life.
I couldn't leave you alone.
That's because you're a good
Well,
man.
not good enough to save her.
You bought your people time, though. That counts for something.
Il a pas l'air ravi, ravi. Merde, faut que je creuse. Attends. On va laisser le lecteur
Hang on a
cassette.
sec.
C'est à elle. Hein.
She carried this around for
Mais bonne
years.
vanne, Antoine. Bonne vanne. Allez. Ça doit être long à recouvrir une tombe.
I'm sorry I never found you those candy bars. You deserved just so much more life.
Oui. Ah ouais. C'était une grosse pelle.
You should have been the one burying me. Someday. Someday far away.
Oh non. Ma mère, elle a rallumé l'aspirateur. Elle veut me nuire. C'est pas possible.
You did everything you possibly...
Et c'est parti. La baston. Eh ouais, il est bloqué dans les pneus. Bam. Ah, c'est le symbole du gang. Ça y est, tout se fait enculer. En plus, il est pas beau
The
leur
other
symbole.
guys had this too.
Oh, shit.
What? Well, what's wrong?
Oula, c'est qui?
Clem?
I've run into these guys before.
Who are they?
Des sacrés zigotos.
They call themselves the New Frontier. They used to be decent people. Now they're something else. This brand they have. It's like an initiation thing.
Et ouais.
I was kinda stuck in their camp for a while. Not by choice. It was bad. I'm lucky to be alive.
What do you mean stuck? Were you a prisoner?
I got out. That's all that matters. They left one of their cars behind. That's something at least.
Good. Just like you always wanted.
I can take you back to Prescott, make sure your family's okay. But then I'm hitting the road.
You should stay with us.
Reste avec nous.
Let's just get back to Prescott.
Au moins, elle s'est pas transformée en zombie parce que c'est horrible quand un proche se transforme en zombie. Enfin, vraiment. Ah vraiment, l'aspi plus le chien là, vraiment désolé la team. Hein. Je sais même pas si vous entendez vraiment. Allez, bienvenue à Prescott.
You're back.
Alors,
How's Kate? Is she...
Just came out of surgery. Eleanor's still with her.
carré.
You'd best get over to the infirmary.
You made it back. She asked for you. You know.
I got here as soon as I could. Those guys didn't go down without a fight. And then... Mariana.
I managed to stabilize her. Those bastards did her one favor at least. Any lower, and that bullet would have torn her stomach lining as well.
Ouais, vu que je
Boy
sais
Gabe.
grave ce que ça veut dire.
He seems really fierce. He wanted to help so badly. He practically forced me to let him stay.
That's Gabe.
But she was bleeding so much he got overwhelmed.
So when's she gonna be up on her feet again?
She's stable. For now. But she's still
Aye,
bleeding
aye,
inside. I don't want to lie to you. It's probably just
Oh
a matter of time.
non. Non.
I wish I could do more.
No. I don't accept that. I can't.
I've done everything I can for now. I'm sorry, Javi. I'm going to get cleaned up. You may want to find Gabe. He looked pretty upset when he left.
This isn't gonna make him feel any better.
Still,
I'll track him down.
Putain, fait chier, c'est dire que...
I know Chip drove like hell to get Kate back here.
How's she doing?
Not great. As well as can be expected. Yeah, considering.
You should have come back with us. Your family, they needed you.
Clementine needed my help back there.
She could take care of herself. Your family, they were the ones who
Aye,
needed
aye,
help. It's a hell of a situation. Just know I'm praying for you. All of you.
Il est trop
Whatever
gentil, Trip.
happens, you all are welcome to stick around in Prescott, if that's what you want. Nobody's gonna force you, but we'd be glad to have you all here.
Not gonna make a decision like that without talking to Kate, so... I'd rather check in with her when she's feeling better, you know?
Sure thing. Let the lady weigh in first.
Je l'aime trop, Trip. Vraiment, je... Quoi? C'est une bouteille d'eau? Non, on va pas voler.
Flew in a plane just like this to a baseball game in Arkansas once. Lifetime ago.
On va juste la regarder. C'est peut-être à disposition. Eh ouais, j'ai vraiment l'impression que je l'ai volé. Hein. Ah non, take free. Take free samples. Ok, my bad. Je l'ai pas volé. Examiner.
Doesn't look super sturdy.
Eh ouais.
Have you seen a kid come through here?
Blood all over his hands, dark look on his face. Headed off that way, without saying a word. If I were you, I'd give him some space. Just my advice, one parent to another.
Wish I could, but I don't think I can.
Okay. But he sure didn't seem like he was in the mood to talk. That blood, I take it that wasn't his?
His stepmom's.
You gotta stay strong for her. Do whatever it takes. Know if my friend seen were in the same situation, I'd fight like hell. Anything we can do to help you out, just let me know.
I
Ils sont gentils en vrai.
appreciate that.
Your boy stomped off towards the front gate.
Putain, il est dehors, ça veut dire. Attends, y a rien d'autre à faire avant? Non, y a rien d'autre. Bon, allez, let's go. On va dehors. Et ouais.
Gabe? Gabe, come on. Look at me.
I want to go back and bury Mariana.
We buried her. It was peaceful.
How could it have been peaceful?
I know how much you miss her, Gabe. I miss her too.
And Kate, she needed me during her surgery. She needed my help. I just ran away like a stupid little kid.
You stayed long enough to do some good. And because of that, I'm proud of you. You were there for her, as much as you could be.
It doesn't count. I'm done feeling this way. Feeling powerless. I can't be some helpless little boy anymore. I need to be a man. Just like my dad was.
Non, ton père c'est un gros
He
fils
knew
de
how men
pute.
were supposed to act.
You're already a man, Gabe.
I'm not. But at least I know it now. Next time, I'm not gonna sit back and watch. I'm gonna do something.
Ok.
I have to.
Listen, Gabe.
Ah, c'est eux? C'est les fils de pute?
We might have to leave. Make sure Kate's ready.
You can count on me.
I thought you kicked her ass out.
Oh les bâtards. Oh les fils de pute.
Anyone home?
Shit. He was one of the men at the junkyard. These are those freaks that brand themselves.
I wish we hadn't had to come all the way out here, but unfortunately, Badger here says you attacked his man.
Non.
He says you fired on him. Took out a lot of our people.
Bullshit! If anything, they attacked us.
Oh, please! We were just defending ourselves.
You know what you did!
How many of my friends died because of you, huh?
Sounds like a bunch of he said, she said shit to me.
Well, what the fuck do you want? An apology?
What I really want is for my dead buddies to be alive again. But I don't think that's too likely, is it?
He needs to come with us. Answer to justice. Accept his punishment. Men have gotta have laws, otherwise we're no better than the animals.
Let's just talk this through.
It ain't
C'est
so
Peggy
simple.
combien ton jeu là?
Fact of the matter is, you
Au moins
stole
Peggy,
from us.
Peggy 12, au
You
moins.
killed some of us. Give it up now and get down here.
I think they need a little incentive.
Putain, les gros fils de pute.
Francine!
Non.
You heard her? I'll kill you!
Whoa! You didn't tell me you had a hostage.
It's gonna be okay, baby. I love you, baby.
All right, baby. Just give them what they want.
There's no reason this has to get ugly. But we ain't leaving without what we came for.
You hurt her, and I'll hurt you back worse than you could ever imagine.
Big words. The words are just that.
Francine! Oh my
Now
God!
get your ass
Oh my
down
God,
here, or I cut
please.
off the rest of them.
What the hell are you doing?
Javi, please, man. Just go with him. You got to. He'll kill Francine.
Nobody's giving in to them.
We should start shooting.
No fucking way. He'll kill Francine.
He might kill her.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Est-ce qu'on descend? Est-ce qu'on tire? En fait, là, si je descends, ça va être la merde pour moi. Tue tout le monde. Ouais, mais il va y avoir des pertes. Je pense que le mieux, c'est que je descende. Comme ça, il redonne l'otage. Et après, moi, je me démerde. Je pense, en vrai.
Anyway, Conrad,
Perds tout.
we gotta risk it.
No, no way. We do
Je vais
not
descendre.
open fire while she's down there.
It's cool. I'm coming out. I'm all yours.
Thank you.
I don't know, man.
Désolé, Trip. Je t'ai déçu. De toute façon, je fais confiance à Clémentine. Je sais qu'elle va me sauver. Faut redonner l'otage, là.
Good man.
Let's lock him in the truck and get the hell out of here.
I don't want to wait that long.
Jesus Christ!
Come on! I want to see him pay for what he did.
We got what we came for, Badger.
Please.
Il arrive costard.
I have a family.
Peut-être là.
Families.
Peut-être là maintenant.
Until we didn't. They'll do just fine without you.
The fuck?
Clémentine!
Shit!
Et ouais.
Francine! Francine!
Oh, what the fuck? We don't have the go-ahead!
No, fuck you! Fuck the go-ahead! Ram the fucking gate!
Ah, les fils de pute. Ouais, pas bon signe du tout.
Fucking tear gas!
I have to find Kate and Gabe. Can you help us?
Go, man! I'll hold these assholes off!
J'espère que Trip il va pas mourir. Je l'aime bien. Ah, Attends.
Gabe!
Let's just use this. There's enough room for her.
Il est au trip. Ah, c'est trip. Let's go.
We'll catch up.
Let's go. Oh putain. Oh là là, oh le début de... Eh, début de l'épisode 2, c'est une catastrophe. Hein. Aïe 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 aïe. Oh là là. Waouh. Et bah putain.
Are they following us?
Just the other car. Looks like we're okay.
Ok.
Eleanor, thank God.
I can't believe it. All of our friends, all those people.
Le pauvre, il a perdu sa femme.
I'm sorry, Conrad.
You're sorry? You're sorry?
J'ai fait...
You're the reason they came to Prescott in the first place. She's dead because of you.
Conrad, easy, buddy. This wasn't his fault.
Bullshit. Francine, Prescott, all because this washed-up cheat walked through our gates. I should have known it the second I looked at you. You ain't gonna stand up for nobody but your own.
We just lost someone too. So, say what you have to say.
What? That's supposed to make me feel better?
Calm down, Conrad, please.
All I know is, if it wasn't for him...
Back
Oh.
the fuck off, now!
Oula. Pas de conneries, Gabe.
Just back away!
Take it easy, son.
Gabriel, put it away! Now!
He's gonna hurt you! No way!
Just do it already. I don't even care anymore.
Just put it down, Gabe.
Gabe, don't make me repeat myself.
Don't touch my uncle again.
Fuck me.
Gabe!
Let him go. He just needs to cool off.
Il y a quand même des zombies dans la nature. En vrai, je le comprends, il a perdu sa femme. Mais je sens qu'on va perdre tout le monde. Hein.
We
De
have to go back.
toute façon, Conrad,
We
je
have
pense
to
qu'il n'y en a
bury
plus
her.
pour longtemps.
I wish we could, but Prescott's overrun.
Trip, il va se
We
sacrifier.
can't go back.
Eleanor,
Well,
elle va
not safe
mourir
here
aussi.
either. What about Richmond? I've heard there's a
Il
community
va rester
there.
que moi et Clem.
If it's true, they'll have food, walls, maybe even a hospital.
All I want is to find the motherfuckers who did this. They took my home. They took my... God damn it!
You want revenge? You're gonna need help. Maybe going to Richmond is the way to get it.
Richmond?
Huh.
It's something at least.
Yeah. Fuck it. Let's go.
On va se venger.
That's a spirit, man.
Voilà, on va leur en faire baver.
Hey, Gabe.
Hey.
You okay?
Je pense que Clem et
Maybe they'll hit
Gabe,
it off.
ouais, ils peuvent bien s'entendre.
You know, that was really impressive back there. What you did.
Hope
Parce
so.
que Clem, elle est passée par là.
Might be good for
Donc,
them both. They need someone their own age they can talk to. Come on, guys. We got a long drive ahead of us. What can I do for you here?
I feel like I'm burning up.
Oh.
And I'm dying of thirst.
J'ai de l'eau, j'ai de l'eau. Eh ouais. Voilà le type, hein.
Thirsty isn't good. How's her forehead feel?
Brûlant.
Hot.
Ouais.
Hot.
Fuck. It's probably sepsis. Sooner we get to Richmond, the better.
Oh, god damn it. Oh, it really hurts.
I can't lose you. Not now.
And I don't want to leave you, but Javi, we both know what's coming.
Kate.
We do. And this is gonna sound fucked up, but maybe this is my chance for Christ. I don't know.
Ah, tais-toi.
Graceful exit.
Ferme-la, ferme-la.
Not many people get those.
You can't talk that way.
Hey, it's my deathbed. Just think about all that's happened. Mariana died and I couldn't stop it. And Gabe, I heard what happened when we stopped. Isn't it obvious? Look, he might be turning into David. He might be turning into you. He's not that sweet little boy I first met.
Gabe is doing just fine, Kate. You know what he told me? That he wants to be a man. Wants to step up. You'll see. He's gonna be stronger than both of us.
Maybe. I don't know.
Je pense qu'elle
All
va
I
pas
care
faire.
about is him becoming who he needs to be.
Pardon.
It's gonna be on
Je
me
pense
to
qu'elle
make sure that happens.
elle va pas finir l'épisode, hein.
No, ma'am. I'm not buying this. I'm dying shit.
Moi j'ai pas envie qu'elle meure, hein, mais
You're buying it whether you want to or not.
honnêtement je m'attache pas trop.
Hey, careful.
Sorry. You should get some rest, Kate. We all should. Really.
With pleasure.
Ugh, parents just love pretending the rest of us can't hear.
I wouldn't know.
C'est-à-dire que Trip... Ah non, ils sont deux dans la voiture de Trip. J'arrête pas de bailler. Je suis vraiment le bailleur fou. Nouvelle petite ville. Oula.
Great. What now?
I've got some bad news.
So what's going on?
Well, we got a bunch of cars clogging the underpass. Too many to drive through. We're gonna need to move some of them out of the way.
Hey, I'm coming too.
I'll stay with Kate and keep a lookout.
Yell at us if anything happens.
Awfully convenient the pass is blocked like this.
Not convenient at all, if you ask me.
If we move that car right there, we should be good. Come on, let's get to work and clear it out.
C'est peut-être une embuscade, hein? Non?
How we doing?
Conrad doesn't look too good over there.
Tell me about it.
He's a good man, Javi. Known him a long time. This is just a dark
Oui,
day for
logique.
him.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on him for me, all right?
Ah.
Might be worth checking.
Malin le type. Eh ouais, pas si malin que ça. Ok.
We need to power it somehow. There's gotta be a way to power this thing. I'll look around. Now I can pull out the cable. I gotta find something to power this. Hopefully that'll hold. Still needs something to power this puppy.
Mm-hmm.
I shouldn't disturb her. She's resting.
Juste parler.
How's Kate doing?
She's holding on. We're almost there.
Let me know if anything changes.
I will.
Je l'aime beaucoup, Eleanor, quand même. Elle est vraiment très gentille. Je vais essayer de parler à Conrad.
You good?
Nah, man. I'm not good.
I know.
Let's just get this shit over with and get to Richmond.
Ok. Je vais parler à Gabi. Gabe.
Saw you and Clementine talking back there.
So? We were just talking. She seems pretty cool.
Uh-huh. Those might come in handy.
Nickel, des câbles.
What's up?
It's complicated. I had a friend. Her name was Jane. Having people is nice, but it always ends up hurting in the end. Never think otherwise.
Oui. R.I.P. Jane. Mais y a rien d'autre là, de toute façon. Hop.
Pop the hood.
You'd better not mess up my baby here.
That'll do. Here goes nothing.
Va faire un bruit monstre.
Hey! There we go! I think we're set.
We good?
Be ready to move once the wreck is clear. We should be right behind you.
Will do.
Eh ouais.
Get the walkers!
Oh merde. Me suis trompé de touche. My bad. Ça arrive.
Eleanor, now! Go, go, go! Just drive! Get her to Richmond! We're right behind you!
T'inquiète, paupiette.
They're through!
On arrive.
Let's go!
Oh!
Thanks. Shit! The van!
Non, non, non.
We got bigger problems here.
The roof! Go!
Ah, j'aime pas quand on est séparés.
Get up there, Gabe! Go!
Bien joué, Gabe.
Come on!
Allez. Phew. Putain, mais c'est une big horde. C'est la horde du premier épisode.
God damn it! I knew this place didn't feel right.
What the hell are we gonna do now?
We have to come up with some kind of plan.
Oh, what a great idea! A plan. Who would have thought of that?
We don't have a choice. We gotta fight our way out.
Not sure I like our odds.
Great. This is just fucking great. What the hell are we gonna do?
Calm down.
Calm down? I'm not gonna fucking calm down. Eleanor's out there alone right now.
Ah, il est amoureux d'Eleanor, lui.
If it wasn't for you.
That's not true.
Fuck you,
Whoa,
Conrad.
whoa, whoa, stop! There's somebody over there.
What? Where?
C'est Jésus.
Shit.
Everybody get down!
Enfin, Jésus dans la série The Walking Dead.
Was this all a trap?
Keep your heads down. Guy could have a rifle.
Show yourself! What the hell? He's gone. Everyone stay here and keep behind cover. I'm gonna see what I can find out.
Be careful.
Mhm.
I'm gonna need you to turn around for me. Slowly. Did you hear me?
C'est un clone. Enfin, oh, il est trop malin.
The hell?
Il est
That
trop
thing's not a
malin.
toy. Drop it, or you might hurt yourself. Now then, I'm not gonna shoot. Not unless you
Il est stylé de fou.
I just want to talk. You got me? Just want to have a word.
So talk.
Okay then. You, the two guys there, the kids, the women in the car, I saw you split up. I overheard that little argument just now. Your friends over there aren't gonna shoot me, right? You folks have your shit together?
They're good people. They've lost a lot.
Sure. We all have.
Recently.
Ah, fresh wounds. That makes sense. You're going to Richmond. That tells me you got something to do with what's going on down there. Question is, whose side are you on?
Look, man. I don't know what you're...
Oh, j'étais pas prêt. Oh, c'est dur. C'est dur.
Don't move.
Et ouais.
Well, is he one of them?
Je pense pas.
Hey, man, what do you mean by them? Who's them?
You know what I'm talking about. The New Frontier.
What? No, I'm not with those guys. You got this backwards.
Avi, this guy's full of donkey shit.
Do you want to let me talk?
I don't think he's with those guys.
Look, I'm telling you. I'm on my way to Richmond, just like you. I lost touch with some good people there when the New Frontier took over.
Mhm.
What did you say?
The New Frontier? They took over Richmond?
Aïe, 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 aïe.
Don't tell me you didn't know that.
Fuck. Oh, God. Eleanor and Kate. They're headed right to the middle of those assholes.
At least now we got an excuse to go after those motherfuckers.
Everyone, just calm down.
Calm down? Calm down? How the hell do you want us to be calm about this? They're gonna fucking kill
Not
them.
if we get to them first.
There's an old train tunnel that runs under the James River. From what I hear, it should be a straight shot into Richmond.
A train tunnel.
Ouais.
I could lead you guys there. But since
Ah, je suis sûr, il y a AJ là-bas.
here said you're good people and all, maybe you could lower those guns first.
Lower than my ass. We're gonna tie you up and make sure your story checks out.
That's really not necessary.
Moi, je lui fais confiance.
Lower your guns.
Avi, man, don't.
Do you trust me or not?
Thank you. Ready? This
On
way.
sait même pas comment il s'appelle.
Hey,
Ah,
what do we
voilà.
call you?
Sorry, forgot to introduce myself. It's Paul, but my friends call me Jesus.
Et voilà. Et voilà. C'est un peu. Je pense que c'est le même genre de perso que dans The Walking Dead. Oula, un flashback. Et là, je crois que j'ai fait peut-être une bêtise. Peut-être qu'elle le connaît déjà. Ou qu'elle elle en a déjà entendu parler. Il a grandi, AJ.
We can hide in here. Don't worry. It's gonna be okay. Oh, come on.
Mais c'est ce que je suis en train de faire, la team là. Ça marche pas? Le bouton il marchait pas? J'étais en train de marteler ma touche mais ça marchait pas.
We can hide in here. Don't worry. It's gonna be okay. Oh, come on.
Ah là ça marche. Voilà. Chiale pas.
It's all right. I know.
Je déteste les
You're
enfants.
hungry. That's it. We're gonna wait for them to go, and then we're gonna find you some dinner. Hopefully find us some dinner.
Hey, I can hear you in there. Let me in, please. God, there's so many.
Hey there.
Hello.
Pretty big group of them out there.
Are you hurt? Any bites?
No, no bites. Shit! God damn it! Well, I'd say we make a pretty good team. Two of us. Well, the three of us, I mean.
Thanks, I guess.
No problem, kiddo. Anytime you need an oversized doorstop, you know who to call. He's a cute kid.
Je crois que je fais trop confiance. Enfin, je fais confiance trop rapidement aux gens. J'aurais peut-être pas dû prendre de risques.
13? Damn, you're a child yourself.
I'm old enough to put a bullet in you.
Whoa, take it easy. I'm not looking to make enemies here. We were out there scouting. Nothing out of the ordinary, and then... chaos in... shit, less than a minute. Those bastards are slow, but god damn it when there's enough of them. I got separated from the others. God. I hope they all made it. Thought we were ready for anything.
I'm sorry. About your friends.
We've been in hotter spots than this, for sure. My people are probably at the rendezvous by now. What's left of them, at least. By the way, I'm Ava. And my group, we call ourselves...
Ah, bordel. Ah, j'en étais sûr.
He's hungry.
Hey, why don't you come with me? Meet my people.
J'en étais sûr.
We have food, blankets, bottled water. Come on. Dinner's on me.
Groups aren't really my thing.
No woman is an island. Have it your way. But you did me a solid here. I won't forget it next time we cross paths.
There is no next time.
We'll see. The world does work in mysterious ways.
Ah putain. Je sais pas pourquoi je m'en doutais qu'elle faisait partie de la nouvelle frontière. Mais c'est dommage, flashback, ils auraient dû le mettre avant. Et qu'on choisisse ou non, avant qu'on apprenne que la nouvelle frontière c'est des gros fils de pute. Il est géant, Jésus? Non?
Javi, I need to talk to you.
About?
Look, I appreciate you keeping quiet about me and the new frontier. But what I told you earlier, it's not the whole truth.
Bon, savoir plus.
I wasn't their prisoner. I was one of them. I should have told you sooner. I really should have.
Oh my god! You let them brand you?
Just listen. I'm not asking you to forgive me. But you have to understand, I had nobody. I was all alone, and I thought I didn't need them. But they were very persuasive.
Ah, ils ont gardé AJ. C'est obligé, AJ il est à Richmond, il est là-bas.
It was a mistake, and so was not telling you about it.
Tell me you're not still one of them.
No way. Believe me. I just had to explain, because if they're really in control in Richmond, I can't let them see me. I just can't. So when we reach the other side of this tunnel, I'm leaving.
Y'all planning on joining us?
Shh.
You all hear that?
Coming from over there.
Can you see anything?
Eh merde.
Keep sharp. Watch out.
Javi, help!
Il est trop stylé. Il est trop stylé.
Thanks.
Fuckers are everywhere!
Christ almighty, Conrad. Now every walker in the fucking county is gonna be heading this way.
Pourquoi il a tiré? Il est trop con.
What the fuck?
No one ever mentioned a train in the way.
You better find a way around it, or we're fucking dead.
Maybe we can just go through.
Well, does it open?
I got it. Come on.
Daylight's ahead. Thank fucking God. Let's go.
Can't have those walkers following us. Javi and I will block the door. You guys go ahead and make sure it's clear.
Make it fast. We'll be right ahead of you.
Ah, Conrad, il a pas
Hold the
confiance.
door shut until I can find something to barricade it with.
Hurry!
Ah, shit! I'm gonna have to break this thing off.
Hurry! They're almost here! Javi! Can't... There's too many! Help! Wedge that through! Now! Okay, let's go. We gotta...
I wouldn't touch that gun, girl. You either, cowboy.
What the hell are you doing?
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
You think I'm stupid? Finish your little story. Now.
Putain.
We need to keep moving.
No, you need to talk.
Put the gun down, Conrad.
Not until she rolls up her sleeve.
What? Why?
I fucking knew it.
You're one of them?
You're goddamn right she is. What other bullshit did you shove down our throats, huh?
She has a right to her secrets like you have a right to yours.
Secrets isn't the point. You're missing the bigger picture, son. Don't you see? We bring her to Richmond, they'll give us whatever we want. Medical help for Kate. She's our bargaining chip.
They won't bargain with you. You don't know them.
Won't know until we try.
She's not a bargaining chip. She's a friend.
Oh, I'm sure after less than a day, you two are just soulmates.
Not a chance in hell.
Seriously? It's our best option and you know it. Hell, it's our only option.
Go to hell, Conrad. I'm not doing this. If you want to shoot me, shoot me.
How about I shoot your little boyfriend here instead?
What the fuck, Conrad?
Ah, non, mais il se fout de notre gueule, là.
Nobody has to shoot anybody. Just tell Clem this is how it's gotta be. And then we all step into the sunshine. Come on, man, be reasonable. This helps both of us.
I'm just gonna go.
Holy shit.
On touche pas à Clem. On touche pas à Clem, je suis désolé.
Oh my god.
Oh merde.
You two should go.
What about you?
I'll find my own way.
He's dead. God. It just happened so fast.
We're moving on, Gabriel. Now, let's go.
Va expliquer ça là. Va expliquer ça à Trip maintenant. Il va péter les plombs.
Where's Conrad? Did he not make it out?
He lost it in the tunnel. Attacked us.
What do you mean? What happened?
He and Clem started arguing, and then shit just went south. We had to leave him behind.
Shit! Fuck!
Try to stay quiet.
Jesus fucking
And the girl, where is she? Or should we assume the worst?
She's not our problem anymore.
She's gone too.
God, what a shit show!
This isn't what any of us wanted. But right now, we need to find Kate and Eleanor.
Oui. Allez, Trip.
You're right. I just wish...
Ah, je l'aime bien, Trip, ça me fait mal. On est 6, on est plus que 4. On était 7 à la base. Après Jésus nous a rejoint, mais on avait perdu les 2 filles. Là on est plus que 4.
Why is it so quiet? Thought there'd be New Frontier marching in the streets and shit. Practicing on walkers or... whatever the fuck they do.
It does seem strangely quiet.
Maybe we just got lucky.
Ils sont là.
Ah, fuck. Did they see us?
I don't think so.
Can you see anything, Javi? What are they doing?
Et la voiture?
That's their car!
Hey, keep it down.
Je crois que j'ai vu une des filles dedans, mais je crois qu'il n'y a pas les deux.
Kate? Kate, can you hear me? Kate, talk to me. Say something.
Javi?
Yes.
Let's go.
Could really use something to take the edge off right about now.
I think you smoked it all.
Kate! Are you okay?
Come here.
Where's Eleanor?
She went ahead to get help.
Ah putain, elle est prisonnière, c'est sûr.
Damn it. They must have got her.
Jesus, how far is it to their compound?
Not too much farther now. A couple blocks at most.
Gabe, help me lift her up. I'm thinking Kate's not gonna make it much longer. So it's time we walk up to the front door and say hello.
All right, fine.
Here we go.
C'est la mierda.
There it is. New Richmond.
We're here, Kate. I'm gonna get you inside, okay?
Javi, if they can save me, how about you and me finally take that trip to Norway? The Northern Lights. Remember? Sky lit up all green and purple.
As long as we make some time to hit the slopes, I'm in.
Jesus, there's a solid possibility this isn't gonna go our way. If you want to stay behind, I wouldn't blame you.
Hey, this is where I was going in the first place.
Y'a personne.
Hey!
You again? You must have some kind of death wish.
She needs medical help.
And you have one of our people.
Uh-huh. What's your point? After what you did to our people? I'm not inclined to help any of you.
I am begging you, please help us. If we don't get her to a hospital, she'll die.
Then I guess she's gonna die.
It was your men that shot her. Your bullets. You owe it to us to help now.
We don't owe you shit. It's got nothing to do with me. Your people, your problems.
I need her, okay? She means the world to me, and I couldn't take it if I lost her.
Losing people's just a part of life. If you're not used to it by now, I don't know what to tell you.
C'est un gros connard.
Please! Kate's dying! She needs help!
It's not like I don't have a heart, okay? But your people started this whole fucking thing in the first place.
Let's not forget what you did at Prescott. What you did to our home.
Prescott, right. That whole situation was a damn mess. It happened. It's over. Nothing I can do about it now.
My niece is dead. You know you owe us this.
Now, all of you, lower your weapons.
Might be a good idea to play along here, at least for now.
You put him down, I'll see that as an expression of good faith. Nice and easy.
Everybody,
Vas-y, on va lâcher nos
put him
armes.
down. Trip, please.
You're the boss.
Yeah, okay.
Hands behind your heads, all of you.
We let him do this, it's over. We can't give him another inch.
Allez.
For Kate, okay?
Now, get on your knees.
Bon, ça y est.
If he was gonna kill us, I think he'd have done it.
Il a raison.
You hear me? I said knees. Guess you were serious about this after all.
What the hell's going on out here?
They said they weren't here to hurt anybody, so I was trying to see if they...
Oh my...
J'avais une petite théorie par rapport à ça, mais je me dis non, impossible. C'est lui le chef.
My God.
Dad?
Oh, bordel de merde. Bordel de... Oh là 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 là. Comment vous gérez nous? Putain. 50% des gens ont essayé de négocier. Ah ouais. Ok. Attends, c'était quoi? Elle avait pris au mot, ok d'accord. Ouais, vraiment, on l'a tous tué, Conrad. Il cassait les couilles. C'est fou! C'est David le chef de la Nouvelle Frontière. Mais là, mais du coup, mais comment ça va se passer? Comment ça va se passer? Là, c'est surtout en fait, genre... Donc en soi, il peut rien nous arriver. Kate va être sauvée. Parce que c'est quand même sa femme, à David. Gabe aussi, il est en sûreté. Moi aussi, je suis en sûreté. Il y a Trip et Jésus, c'est un peu la merde. Parce que Jésus, de ce que j'ai compris, il a des potes à lui qui sont prisonniers là-bas. Après, maintenant, tout est... Waouh! C'est fou, c'est fou. En fait, j'avais un peu, dans ma tête, je me disais, oui... Je pense que David est à la Nouvelle Frontière. Mais je pensais pas que ça allait être le chef. C'est fou. Non, c'est fou. Ah, j'ai trop envie. Demain, on se fait l'épisode 3. J'aime beaucoup cette saison. J'aime énormément cette saison. Bon, franchement, en termes de plot twist, c'est plutôt pas mal. J'aime beaucoup. Hop. Alors, tac. Non, franchement, c'est plutôt pas mal. Waouh. L'épisode 3, je sais pas comment ça va se passer du coup. Parce que... Quand... Ah putain, mais quand Kate, elle va capter que c'est son mari. Et que du coup... C'est les hommes de David qui ont tué sa fille. Il va péter les plombs, David. Comment ça va se passer? C'est obligé, genre... on va être obligé de lui dire que genre c'est ces hommes, c'est surtout le mec chauve là, c'est ce gros fils de pute, c'est à cause de lui que sa fille est morte. Ah franchement, l'épisode de demain il risque d'être très croustillant, très très croustillant. Non franchement, très bon épisode. Oh, je baille encore, c'est fou. J'arrête pas de bailler. Bon bah écoutez, merci d'avoir suivi cet épisode et on se retrouve demain du coup pour l'épisode 3. C'est fou, j'ai trop hâte. Bah écoutez, je vous souhaite une très bonne journée. Prenez soin de vous. 10 bisous. Ciao ciao.